Hey, my name is Jani van Loghem. I'm Medical Director of UMA Institute. Now today we are here at Hotel Arena and we have our Radiesse Expert Techniques course within UMA Academy with a lot of physicians coming from various countries to actually get more experience with Radiesse. It's a 2-day course where we really give them the opportunity to get to know this product very well. We don't take shortcuts. We want to give high quality treatments, trainings and research to the people that we offer it to. We want our delegates, the doctors that we are training, we want to open their eyes because seeing is the most important thing when you're planning a treatment. Seeing what the patient needs, but also knowing what the patient needs without the patient specifically asking for it, finding the question behind the question.
What you can expect is, of course, really personal touch. Yeah? So small groups, a lot of models, a lot of hands-on.
It's a very high level, very professional attitude towards everything. I love the techniques, I love the variety, I love the whole academic approach to the subject.
The people who give us this course are really top-level people.
In some events, things are a bit too crowded, it goes very quickly, and also we're a small group of doctors with each model, which makes it fantastic to learn.
I can compare it to other courses. They weren't that wide, they didn't have that much range of opinions, range of approaches, and this makes this course exceptionally good.
I will definitely remember it as being one of the best events I've attended.
When they go home, they will inject experience into their patients because practical knowledge is so beautiful and they can really take that home with them so that when they treat their patients, the world will notice their patient and not their work.